Hey everyone, welcome to Fresh Library. Today in this session, we are going to learn about how to take user input using Python. How to take user input using Python in Linux environment. Okay, so the agenda for this course is write code in Linux, execute in terminal, understand output, and related to how it is related to automation, how it is related to real-time automation. Okay, for understanding this, we need to go for Linux terminal. So I had opened the Linux terminal and before proceeding into today's session, let's have an overview of what we have discussed in the last class. Uh, in the last class, we have discussed about variables and data types. Variables and data types. In these data types, we learned about what is string and integer. So variables, what is the purpose of variables? To store the data or to store the whatever the values we are given. Okay. So now here, uh, see here, a Python is stored in A, okay, and the number 6 is stored in B. Here A is the variable and B is the variable. If you want to print the output, then we can say print of A, print of B. And it can be useful for multiple times. We don't need to change the A and B, but you can change instead of here, we can write by Sanketik or anything, and instead of 6, we can give any number. We can change these text, but we don't need to change these things. A, B, print of A, print of B. Okay. So main use of this variable is to store the data, and str means text, A, B, C, D alphabets, A to Z, and the int means numbers, that is 1 2 3 4 0 to 9 like that. Okay, we learned about these in the last class. Okay, now we are going to learn about Python input function, taking user input. Okay, so here Python input function taking user input. Taking user input. Next, so here how we can give the input. Let's go back to our terminal. First of all, uh, if you want to go to one particular directory in Linux, then we can use the cd command. Cd place space. If you want to go to one particular directory, then we can give that directory name. In the sense folder name. Okay, in Windows we can say a folder, but in Linux we can call file as, I mean folder as directory. Okay, so cd demo. So I had already created one folder or directory called demo. Now I am going to demo. Okay, now it is in demo. See, if you see pwd, this is the present working directory. So we are in this directory now. If you want, we want to go back to one more directory, then we can see cd double dot. If you do pwd now, then it will look like home or anonymous. Okay. Next. Uh, we don't need to bother about these CD and all. We can learn slowly these things later also. Okay. If you understand, it's well and good. If it's not understanding also, don't need to worry about it now. Okay. Now I'm going to clear this one. Okay. Next. Now we need to create one file for class 4. So we are going to write the code in this file class 4 input.py. Class 4 input.py. Now it was created class 4.py, I mean input.py. Now it is in command mode. We need to enter into insert mode. If you don't know about all these terminals and all how I am using, then please watch our previous class or previous tutorials. Okay, now I entered into the insert mode. And one more thing I want to say is you can use the same kind of code in Windows as well. Whether it will be work in either in VS Code or PyCharm, whatever you are going to use. But now I am using the Linux terminal for executing the Python code. Okay, we can use the same code in the Windows as well. So now it is in insert mode. So I'm giving the input or I'm right started writing the code. So, uh, name equal to input of enter your name. Enter your name. Then so it will ask for the name when you are going to execute the program. Your name is not your name, any name, username. You who are using that one, that was that person name. Okay. Now I want to take their phone number too. So input of enter your phone number. Okay. Colon enter your phone number. Next, I want to print the output, whatever the name has given by the user. So print of name is okay. Next, print of the phone number. Print of sorry, phone number is phone number is okay. Okay, phone number is see. Now I want to save this one by simply pressing the escape and colon WQ. 1 second. I am hitting the enter. Then the program is saved. And now I want to execute the program by simply giving the file name with the Python 3. So instead of VI, we can give Python 3. Now if you enter, see, it is asking for your name. Okay, 1 second. So here it is asking the name. If you give the name, it will ask for your phone number. So phone number, if you give something called H1, like that we can give. And if you enter, then it will show the name and number. Okay, wait 1 second. So, yeah, here we need to give name. Okay. Now we can save, enter. Now if you give the waste, or else you will clear this one before this, then name Sanketik, phone number 81 something. See here, if you click, if you give the name and number, then automatically it will show. Okay, so I had given Sanketik and number, then it will showing the same name and phone number. Like that, the program will work. Okay, so here we had given the yeah. I will give 1 second. I'm going to show you the code again. So here we had given the input, right? Input of means input accepts the user data. Okay, and it will return the strings. Okay, next uh, these kind of code will be heavily used in automation frameworks. So in future, in our upcoming sessions, we are going to cover the automation testing and automation frameworks as well, right? Okay, later we can slowly enter into that also. First we need to learn the Python basics, then we can slowly move to automation testing. Okay, next. Now I want to copy this to running nodes. And next, this is the input we had given to the terminal. So I'm going to give name as input. Next, I'm going to give the output here. So I want to copy the output as well. For that purpose, here I'm giving the Q. So now I'm going to copy the output as well. This is our code's output. I'm copying all this here. Okay, in running nodes. Next key points to write here is C. Useful in taking runtime data. Next point, flexible scripts. Helpful for flexible scripts. Next third point, used in real-time automation. Real-time automation. Okay, where it will be helpful in real-time automation? See, for suppose I'm going to show you one live example. So if you consider our website, now I'm going to click on this. Now it will redirect you to Amazon website. Okay, so in order to log in or else in order to register yourself, okay, starting new customer, if you want to register or if you want to sign in, then there will be a workflows, right? So at that time, in order to sign in, we need to give the username and the our user mail id, okay, and then password. So this here in our, if you see our code, yeah, I will open. So if you give like this, it will ask the input of, okay. Then where whoever open the application, it will ask the enter mobile number or enter email. So here instead of enter your name, if you put enter your mobile number or enter your mail ID, then it will ask the same to enter your mail ID or enter your mobile number. Like that it will ask and user will provide the input. Okay, and the respected output will be like this output. See, it will ask enter your name. See, instead of here enter, it is asking here enter your enter mobile number or email. Okay, then it will provide, it will take and it will process the data. Okay, this is about our today's session. Hit the thumbs up and share with the Python beginners, and if you have any doubts, please comment below. Okay, and in next class, we are going to cover converting input to int and real automation use cases. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in next class.